Ever since I got this van, I feel like I have a project or two per week. It's keeping me busy. Today's project, I'm painting the rims black. Right now it's on hubcaps, and I gotta say I do like the hubcaps. I normally don't like hubcaps, but I like these. And I was actually considering getting the chrome version of these hubcaps. Ford doesn't make it, but an aftermarket company makes chrome hubcaps for this. And I was considering it, but I was thinking about it, and when this van is lifted, hubcaps aren't going to look right. So with this van, I'm going for a chrome on black theme. See how the bumper's chrome, and the back bumper has chrome on it, and then we got the chrome V10 right there. So what I'm going to do, here's the hubcaps, which I like. But I think they're funny because they have fake lug nuts on them, but it's 7. This is a 8 lug nut truck. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the hubcaps off, paint the rim black, put a chrome trim around the rim, and then chrome lug nuts. So I'm going to go with the chrome on black theme, and then I have a black light bar, and I have a black ladder. So that's going to be the theme of this van. Chrome and black accents, and I'm just going to keep the color. My last van was all black with alloy rims. I'm going to be a little different this time around. I already had a black van with all black van with alloy rims, and this color is actually kind of growing on me actually, so it's going to be different. Got these as clean as I could get them. This area is not very important because here's the plan. I got this chrome trim ring, so this area is going to be covered, so I don't even need to mask off anything. I'm just going to spray around this area, just spray everything here, and it doesn't matter if I get this area because it's going to be covered by the chrome trim ring. And then I got chrome lug nuts, so it's going to be a chrome on black theme. Painting my rims with bed liner. I painted my last van with bed liner, the whole van, and I know this stuff is good, so now I'm using them on my rims. Last time I used Rust-Oleum. This time I'm using Duplicolor. And here's what I forgot about this stuff. I went 2 seconds too long. That's why it's a little blotchy right here. But the rest is a lot smoother because I remembered how to use this stuff. But that's the beauty of a $6,000 van. And I'm not too concerned that I messed up a little right here. Eventually the sun will kind of fade it a little bit, and it'll be even. And like I said, I don't have to worry about the outer section here because the chrome trim ring will cover all of this. I just have to get in here and these areas, make sure these areas are covered. Here's what it looks like. One final step, chrome lug nuts to complete the look. A little overspray, not overspray, but a little blotchy right here. And then like I said earlier, I wasn't too concerned about finishing the edges of the rims because I knew the chrome trim was going to cover whatever I didn't get. So perfect. Turned out nice. I like it more than the stock hubcaps, that's for sure. And it's nice enough where I don't really want rims now. So here's the trim ring made in Taiwan, not that other place. So this was $50. The lug nuts was $30, and I bought 2 cans of bed liner spray, $10 each, so right at $100 to get your rims done. Here's the finished product. I like how it looks, very 90s looking, which is fitting for this van because this body style was introduced in 1992 and lasted until 2014, and I believe they still sell the front of this van for commercial applications and RVs. So for $100, you could make your steelies look like this. Rims aren't in my budget. I would like new rims, nothing like a set of new rims, but I'm content with this. So there you go. Just got to get that paint off my tire. So like I said, this van has chrome accents, chrome bumper, chrome V10 emblem, so I went with chrome trim and chrome lug nuts, shiny exhaust tip. So I think that theme's gonna, that theme looks good. So I'm gonna get my, I got a black light bar, and then I have a black ladder, but the black paint's coming off, so I might take it off and make the ladder chrome. So chrome, it's gonna be a chrome ladder, chrome bumpers, chrome trim rims, and a black front bumper and a lift. So there's my van now with the new spruced up rims. Check it out. It's my van's brother. It even has a V10 like my van. Nice. Stock hubcaps. That's what I had. But check out the other side. Hubcaps on one side and steelies on the other. Maybe this guy will see my YouTube video and make his rims nice. Happy Sunday. Headed to work right now. At least I get to work with my friend Johnny and James. This one's for you, James. Look at all those Jeep Wranglers parked next to each other. Isn't that cute?